Hey guys, Owen here from Maclin Ford, here to show you this dark blue 2014 Transit Connect. This Transit Connect is very well maintained. It is a local Alberta vehicle with absolutely zero accidents. This Transit Connect comes in the XLT trim with a 210A equipment group, which is powered by a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. Once those third row seats are folded down, you have even more room in the trunk. This Transit comes with auto headlights, cruise control, a full cloth interior, 57,000 kilometers. This Transit Connect has a couple of cool features. It has power folding mirrors, it has a CD player, a rear parking camera with rear parking sensors, it has sync, Bluetooth, second row of this Transit also comes with a cup holder, and you can change the temperature for the rear seats. Also with a third row. Come on and check out this Transit Connect at maclinford.com. Thank you very much and have a very good day.